What's the meaning of bergamot oil? Bergamot oil. Bergamot oil.
Bergamot oil. Bergamot oil. Bergamot oil is a type of essential oil that is extracted from the peel of the bergamot fruit. The fruit is similar in appearance to a lime and is grown in various regions around the world, including Italy, Morocco, and Ivory Coast. Bergamot oil is known for its distinctive citrus scent, which is often used in perfumes, aromatherapy, and as a flavoring agent in food and beverages. The oil is also commonly used in traditional medicine practices as a natural remedy for anxiety, depression, and digestive issues. However, it is important to note that bergamot oil can cause photosensitivity and should be used with caution.